Jupiter has now entered Gemini as of May 14, 2025, bringing a powerful shift for those with Gemini in their sixth house. This marks the beginning of a transformative phase in your daily work life, health routines, and how you serve others. Since this transit happens only once every 12 years, it's a major window of opportunity where your consistent efforts toward self improvement and discipline can start showing real results. The sixth house rules over employment, habits, wellness, and service. So, you might notice positive changes like improved work conditions, exciting job prospects, or finally resolving a persistent health or organizational issue. Stay open to new ways of working and taking care of yourself. Jupiter is here to expand and bless this area of your life. As Jupiter moves within plus minus 5 degrees of its natal position, its expansive energy intensifies, potentially bringing unexpected job offers, beneficial lifestyle changes, or a renewed sense of purpose in your daily contributions. This is the universe's way of rewarding your discipline and encouraging you to refine your habits for greater efficiency and well being. Whether it's a promotion, a healthier routine, or a chance to be of meaningful service, Jupiter's return invites you to embrace growth in practical, tangible ways. Reflect on the past 12 years, what habits have served you, what needs restructuring. Now is the time to align your daily life with your higher goals because when Jupiter blesses the sixth house, even the smallest adjustments can lead to big rewards. When Jupiter transits over your natal Jupiter in Gemini in the sixth house, the expansive energy of Jupiter will interact with the air element of Gemini and Mercury's influence, creating significant opportunities and challenges related to your daily routine, health, work, enemies, debts, and pets. The sixth house governs the areas of life that involve a service, work, daily responsibilities, health, and personal challenges. This transit can offer opportunities for growth and improvement in these areas, but also presents potential risk if not managed wisely. The air element of Gemini will amplify your mental agility and adaptability, which can be beneficial when it comes to managing your daily routine and work environment. You might feel inspired to change up your approach to daily tasks, streamlining your work processes and becoming more efficient. This could be a good time to introduce new methods or systems into your workflow that allow you to balance your responsibilities with ease. If you have been feeling overwhelmed by the demands of work or personal life, Jupiter's energy can help you find creative solutions to your daily challenges, bringing a sense of order and expansion into areas that may have previously felt restrictive. However, the mutable nature of Gemini also means there is a potential for being scattered or inconsistent in your approach to daily tasks. Jupiter's expansive energy can make you overestimate your capacity to juggle multiple projects or responsibilities, leading to burnout or a lack of focus. You may take on too much at once, only to find that you are unable to finish everything as efficiently as you would like. There may also be a tendency to overcommit to work obligations or health routines without fully considering your limits. It's important to stay realistic about your goals and prioritize your energy carefully. In terms of health, this transit can bring expansion and growth, but it can also exacerbate any health issues if not properly managed. Gemini rules the nervous system and lungs, so you may feel a need to focus on reducing stress or incorporating activities that promote mental clarity and relaxation into your routine, such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Jupiter's energy might bring optimism in terms of recovery and healing, but you should be cautious about overindulgence or ignoring warning signs in your health. Excessive activity or neglecting self care can lead to stress related issues or burnout. Jupiter's influence on the sixth house can also bring growth in your work life. If you have been struggling with your job or feeling stagnant, this transit can provide opportunities for career advancement, recognition, or new professional opportunities. You may find that your communication skills are elevated, making it easier to express your ideas at work and gain support from colleagues or superiors. The Gemini influence brings an aptitude for multitasking and intellectual work, which could be beneficial if you are involved in projects that require quick thinking or problem solving. You may find yourself offered new roles, promotions, or opportunities that allow you to expand your career. However, again, the mutable energy of Gemini means that you might need to guard against being too distracted by multiple offers or opportunities, as the temptation to switch jobs or focus on new ventures could lead to a lack of commitment. Enemies and conflict are another aspect of the sixth house that Jupiter's transit can affect. Jupiter's energy can expand the influence of enemies, whether known or unknown, and bring them into the spotlight. However, it can also provide an opportunity to overcome conflicts by offering you the wisdom and resources needed to rise above petty rivalries or misunderstandings. The transit may lead you to feel more confident and able to confront opponents head on. While this could result in victory over those who try to bring you down, it's important to stay grounded and avoid becoming too overconfident or reckless in dealing with adversaries. If you can channel Jupiter's energy into diplomacy and strategic action, you may find yourself successfully resolving long standing conflicts or improving relationships with colleagues or competitors. When it comes to debts, Jupiter's expansive energy can either bring an opportunity to pay off your debts or exaggerate or increase them if you aren't careful. This transit could encourage you to increase the spending, especially if you are feeling optimistic about your financial situation, but there is a risk of becoming too reckless with money. On the positive side, if you are diligent about managing your finances and committing to a plan, this period could help you reduce or eliminate financial obligations. Be cautious about overextending yourself financially or getting caught up in an excessive material desires, as Gemini's quick changeable energy can sometimes lead to impulsive decisions that are not in your best interest. Jupiter's transit in the sixth house is special for pet lovers. This is a time for those thinking about pet parenting or for those who are already pet parents to strengthen their bond with their pets. You may find that play activities with your pets create a strong connection. You might even find yourself in the spotlight during a pet show or event. Your pet could bring you attention, which could be an exciting and rewarding experience. However, there is a potential downside. You may make impulsive decisions for your pets, such as adopting a new pet without proper planning. This could lead to unnecessary stress or financial burden, or even neglecting your existing pet. Therefore, it's important to consider your capacity and resources carefully when spending time with your pets, so this period can be beneficial for both you and your pets.